So now we've got the first hand tighten screw in place. That's on number 20. Now don't over tighten that. In fact, you may want to loosen it a little bit when you go to tighten the second one down so that the screws kind of align themselves. Alright, there we go. And you might get a few more thread turns if you do it this way, initially. So you can start to feel it's grabbing and engaging, and there's pressure involved. So just put the hand. So you figure your fingers are about 10 newtons starting out. It's always angles here. There we go. Okay, I'm hand tightening now. So that's metal to metal. There's no plastic between the threads themselves, so they're engaging. So now I've hand tightened, but before I go any further, I'm going to ask Larry to just close down and see how he feels with his bite. How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah, he says good, so that's good. Okay, so now the torquing process. Alright, so we're going to come back to the driver again. We're going to disassemble and put our other one on. Hopefully, again, this is a little long, but let's see how we do. Go to 21st. Let's see if I drop in there. Alright, close and rest. Try to just double check. Yep. Okay. And open again, Larry, if you can. Just see if I can slip in there and get this tightened. It's got an angle of its own. Okay, close again. Let's see if I can do it by hand again. Open again. Okay, and open again. Okay. There we go. That instrument. Okay, so just 20. And that is 20. That's it. Open, please. Close. So one is tightened to 20. Now we're going to tighten the other. I may have to get a shorter driver. Let's see if we can do it. Fine. If we can't, then we'll have to get a shorter driver. Find a position. Let me try to find it with a smaller driver first to see what the angle appears to be. We're having a lot of fun with this part. A small mirror. Okay, let's see if that's... There it goes. Okay. So that's the angle. Try it again. And open again if you can. That's as far. Okay. It's one spot. Well, there's nothing really holding me up. It's just a matter of finding the sweet spot here. So I'm going to give it a little bit here. I don't need you to keep things held up as far as video. Close, Larry. We'll get it tightened up, and then we're going to add our Teflon tape and of course composite on top of that. You guys don't need to see that. That's noted on other videos. So this is Dr. Gerard Cuomo. Thank you for watching this case. Larry's going to go home with his teeth today, so everybody's happy, and Dr. Sindeldecker is also very happy that we don't have to go to surgery with this case. So feel free to write in, call, at your disposal. If you have a problem with a case, I'll be happy to come to the phone or just write me and I'll return emails. Thank you. Have a great day out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.